Guys, you cannot be without this amazing little accessory for video and photography. Back in a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. If you haven't stopped by here before, please be sure to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, today we're unboxing this little accessory. This is the Aputure Amaran AL-MX. It's a small, very small battery powered LED panel, which is very, very strong. So guys, this is an updated version, this AL-MX, and you know what? I've had a bunch of different portable video lights, and you know, a lot of them have been quite basic and entry level, battery operated, haven't really lasted very long, haven't really thrown out adequate lighting. But you know what, these can be a lifesaver when you're out and about and you haven't got any decent studio lights. So guys, let's take a look in the box and see what's in there. So guys, let's start by unboxing this. I'm going to get the trusty knife. Going to cut down the two sides of this box. Right, turn that back over. Let's see if we can slide this out. This is putting up a little bit of a struggle. You think by now I'd be used to unboxing products. And here we are. So we've got some instructions. Get rid of that. Some more instructions. Quite frankly, I'm going to have to get my glasses on to read any of that. I don't know what that is. So look, we've got a nice little case, a pouch, Aputure. It's quite padded actually. Oh, it's got a clip on the end so you can hang that on your belt should you wish to want to do that, or from a rucksack or a camera bag or something like that. It's actually, lo and behold, it's actually got a belt loop as well, but hey, you know, your mileage may vary on that. So if we open this up, it's got kind of little organisational pouches, and yeah, I mean, that's kind of it inside. It's quite nice, very padded, so it should be quite good. So you've got a whole bunch of these 3M sticky clips, sticky bits of tape, and you've also got, I'll open this up because you've got, actually know what that is, looks like a piece of diffuser, but actually this looks like the main diffuser because it's got some magnets on the end of it. I don't know if you can focus in on that. No, not really. But it's got some magnets on it, so that should stick on the front. Then you've got a bunch of these 3M sticky pads, which are really good for if you want to stick this to a helmet. If you're, I mean, I've got a scooter now, so which the video's going up pretty soon for that. It might have even gone up already. Who knows when this is going to go out? But I've got a scooter with a helmet because I was made to buy a helmet. And you know, if you want to stick this on your helmet, stick a light on there, stick a camera on there, whatever you want to do. These things, that's just fallen out, but these things are pretty damn handy. So let's pop that there. We've got some elastic bands. Don't ask me why, I've no idea, but yeah, well, I guess you might actually want to elastic band this camera, and they're quite very solid ones. You might want to elastic band this light to like a post or something. That's the only reason I can think of. If you just want to hide it somewhere, stick a rubber band on it, get some backlighting. I don't know. We'll find out though. We'll play with this stuff. So yeah, pretty interesting. What else? In the box, we've also got a cable, just a charging cable, USB-C so that should be pretty fast for charging. Well, this is quite annoying because actually I'd already bought, I've just bought one of these. This is a mini tripod mount with a moving ball head. So you can mount this on top of the camera or whatever you want to do with it. So if I could just focus on that mini ball head. But yeah, pretty good because you can mount this onto anything. I've got a stand or tripod or the top of the camera or a cold shoe or whatever you like. So lots of good stuff in the box. So yeah, you know, pretty cool. Now, ooh, the actual light itself. So this is smaller than I actually anticipated. So let's get this open. Do you know what? Let's get it open. So it's small enough to be in the camera bag. It's small enough to take with you. It's really solid. I mean, look at that. This is like almost like industrial grade. It's like a big heat sink on the back here. There we go. This is like really cool. It's pretty heavy as well. So along the top here you've got the warm and the cold button adjustments. You've got bright and you've got dim. You've got the LED buttons that go along and the power on off button. So along the bottom here, it says here it's 3.7 volt, 1800 milliamp battery. You can see the solid metal tripod mount, which is pretty cool. Pretty much nothing along the side, apart from some product branding. Same on the other side, apart from you've got the USB-C so that you can charge it. So this, you've got this clear plastic diffuser on here, which is a bit shinier. We've also got one that's quite opaque on here as well, so two different types of diffuser. So let's just have a quick look at how this is going to work. So this has actually got a safety sticker on it that I've just taken off to stop it being turned on by accident. So let's see if there's any power in this. Whoa, so here it is, switched on. So yeah, it's got power in it. So guys, I don't know if you can see this, but this is changing different colors from warm light to bright light, and you potentially can't see it because it's literally very bright in here. So guys, this will give you the ability to change from cold light to warm light, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn off the studio lights. So you've just got these lights, and let's see what that looks like. So Alexa, turn off the studio lights.
Okay.
So now you can see the actual main studio lights have been switched off, and all I've got is some background lighting behind me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn this little light on. You can see I'm kind of immediately lit. Now, this isn't like brilliant lighting, but it's good enough if you're out and about and you haven't got big studio lights, and it's enough to light me. I should actually put this on a little tripod maybe and see how that looks. So hang on 1 second. And there we are. So now I'm actually being lit, and I'm being lit good enough to, you know, be in a room without any main studio lights or anything like that. And, you know, this isn't that bad. I can play around with some of the settings. I put this one on. Now I've got a different type of light, which is, you know, again, it's less of a warm light, but it's fine. I can keep changing that through. And again, you know, I'm getting slightly better results with a more white, brighter light. Or I can change the color temperature right down. You can see how that's working. Or I can hit this boost, and this is really bright. I mean, it's so bright that I can't actually look at the light. But yeah, I mean, you know, this is good. This is nice. I can turn that down, so this is like dimmed right down. I can actually take the diffuser off, and if I change this, it's going to give you a more neutral light, a colder light. And again, I'm kind of, you know, just silhouetted and nicely kind of pushed in with the background lighting. So you know what, yeah, I think, you know, this does look good. This is the boost function, and for sure this is bright. I'm actually going to stick the other diffuser on there, which is easy because it's just magnetic. And I can tell you now, I'm literally being blinded by this light. In fact, I don't actually know how it's coming out or how it looks, but to me, I feel like I'm fairly well lit. Let's turn that booster off. Again, without the lights on behind me, so I've got no lights on at all, only this light. It's not that bad. Like if you're stuck somewhere and you just need to get some lighting, this is night and day. This is night and day better than any other portable video light that I've ever used, or for photography as well. I mean, you know, it's good. It's lighting me up. It's not on a bright setting. I can hit that boost again. There you go. It's not that bad, although it's very bright for me. So I'm gonna just turn that off again. But this is good. This is nice for me. And I can also kind of place this light somewhere else to give some mood lighting. I can just kind of light this up behind me. And you know, that's quite nice. It's kind of just giving me a kind of a nice look, but you know, everything's still kind of illuminated. And I promise you, that is the only light. It's showing up the back wall, it's showing up the inside of the cupboard, and I'm still being lit. So, you know, quite frankly, it's really, really versatile. Alexa, turn on the studio lights.
Okay.
So guys, yep, you know, I'm super impressed with this light. So, you know, we've got the bag, you know, it's nice, it's got a compartment that's inside. We've got sticky tapes, which is all good. We've got tripod mount. You know, you can put all of this into the pouch, all of that into your camera bag, or you can kind of hook it on the outside or put it through a strap, or, you know, whatever you want to do. And you know what? I think if you want some quick dramatic light when you're shooting, you know what? Just stick this light anywhere you like. It's robust, it's got a nice weight to it. It's pretty small, but man, it is strong. And it's not just strong, but it is super bright. But the lighting, you know, you've got the cold and the warm light, and you've got the brightness, you've got the boost if you need an extra, you know, shot of light. You've got these elastics as well, which is, you know, whatever it is, I don't know what you're going to do with them, but, you know, you can just, you know, kind of wind it round and stick it to something. You know, it's got so much versatility. I'm super, super, super impressed with this. There's one other thing that I didn't show you is when you turn this on, you've also got these little blue LEDs which kind of show you the state of your charge. Now, when you hit the boost button, they do go down a little bit because this is chucking out an amazing amount of light. I turn the boost button off, turn it back on again, and you know, you kind of get the picture with that. So yeah, and I guess that's it. So I think this is I'll hit the boost button again. I meant to turn it off. Right, it's off. So this thing, guys, stick it in your camera bag, take it wherever you want. You know what, you could use this as a bedside lamp if you wanted to, or reading lamp, or whatever you wanted to. This thing is awesome, USB-C to charge it, so it's not going to take too long to charge. I will come back with a full review and some more tests, but this was just a quick unboxing and a little bit of showing you what it's all about. But again, yeah, fantastic light. If you've got one, if you had the previous one, let me know in the comments section below. If you've got any comments or questions, please ask. But until now, guys, this is the Aputure AL-MX portable light. It's super, super awesome, and you should get one. It's the best portable light I've ever used, and I don't think you're going to be disappointed. So guys, leave any comments and questions, like I said, in the comment section below. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.